It seems wrong to make pie out of a swollen root. So don't think of it as sweet potato pie. Think of it as making the best pumpkin pie you'll ever make. We all love pumpkin pie, right? The problem is, who wants to deal with chopping and seeding and roasting and scraping one of these? Nobody, which is why 9 times out of 10, pumpkin pie gets made with... And that's really not good eats, now is it? The best thing about sweet potatoes, besides being delicious, is that we don't have to break out the chainsaw. Break out your stand mixer and into the bowl insert 1 1/4 pounds of sweet potato cubes that you have steamed for 20 minutes. Insert the paddle and beat on low just until they start to fall apart. Then turn up the speed and mash them good. To that, you're going to add 1 1/4 cups of plain yogurt, 3/4 cup of packed dark brown sugar, 5 egg yolks, and then the seasonings. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon ground, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg freshly ground. Now beat the tar out of it. It won't take more than a couple of minutes to bring everything together, and it's not going to be pretty when it is together. Now pour this into a 9-inch pie shell, and yes, store-bought is fine. Smooth it out with a spatula, if you can, and then sprinkle on 1 cup of chopped and toasted pecans. You could use walnuts too if you like. And then sprinkle on about a tablespoon of dark maple syrup. Slide your masterwork into a 350-degree oven and close the door for 50 minutes. Look a little wobbly? Well, this is one of those times when it is devilishly difficult to discern doneness from a visual inspection alone. Luckily, this kind of pie, a custard, sets between 160 and 180 degrees, so it's important to pull it while it's still a little on the wobbly side. You wait too long and it'll crack on top like a nasty cheesecake. This is 173, which is just right. We'll give it an hour to cool before we attempt slicing.
Marshmallows? We don't need no stinking marshmallows.
Pie.
It's beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
Can't we just look? You cut that and we can kiss that Vanity Fair cover shot. Adios.
Relax a second. There you go. And we just put this guy back, and with a piece missing, it'll be easier to cut next time. Enjoy.
Oh, no. You TV chefs can fatten up, but we power players have to be lean and mean. Oh, yes, I'll hold.
We hope we've opened your mind and maybe even your heart to the star potential of the sweet potato. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat, a savory side, or a darn healthy breakfast companion, the sweet potato is a root for all seasons. Not to mention, good eats.